The question of whether the pizza business is recession-proof is a fascinating one, which involves a detailed exploration of consumer behavior, economics, and the unique attributes of the pizza industry itself. To analyze this, we need to delve into the historical performance of the pizza sector during economic downturns. Consider the factors that could make a business resistant to recession and look at the contemporary dynamics of the pizza market. Historical performance in economic downturns. In the face of economic recessions, where discretionary spending tightens, the pizza industry has often shown a surprising level of resilience. During the Great Recession of 2007 to 2009, while many industries struggled with plummeting demand, major pizza chains like Domino's and Papa John's reported growth in sales. This counter-cyclical trend can be attributed to a number of factors. Firstly, pizza is often seen as a value proposition. It is a low-cost, convenient meal that can feed multiple people. This aspect of value becomes increasingly attractive when consumers are looking to stretch their dollars further. Furthermore, pizza businesses often increase promotional efforts during tough economic times, offering discounts and deals that appeal to budget-conscious consumers. Secondly, the scalability of pizza, from a single slice to a large pie that can satisfy a whole family, allows for flexibility in consumer spending. This scalability, combined with the high level of customization available, toppings, crust styles, sizes, enables pizza to cater to a wide range of price points and consumer preferences. Lastly, during recessions, there is a noted increase in cocooning, where consumers prefer staying in and having food delivered or picking up a takeaway rather than dining out. Pizza, with its delivery and takeout-centric business model, fits perfectly into this behavior pattern. The concept of recession-proof businesses. To consider any business recession-proof, it is important to understand what attributes contribute to this resilience. Typically, these businesses provide goods or services that are always in demand, regardless of the economic climate. This includes essential services like utilities, discount retailers, and consumer staples like food and beverages. For a business to be recession-proof, it needs to be adaptable, have a loyal customer base, and offer a product that is not a luxury but a staple. In many ways, pizza fits this description. It is a widely popular food item with cross-generational appeal and is often considered a comfort food, which people turn to for familiarity and satisfaction during stressful times. Consumer behavior is another crucial factor when determining the recession-proof nature of an industry. In tough economic times, while households cut back on entertainment, vacations, and other non-essential items, they still allocate funds for small indulgences. For many, a pizza night can serve as a low-cost indulgence or a break from cooking at home, which can be a morale booster during a recession. Moreover, the pizza industry has been adept at keeping up with consumer trends, incorporating healthier options, embracing food technology, and aligning with digital ordering trends, which can make it more resilient. The ability to order pizza online or through apps has made pizza one of the most accessible and convenient food options, a key advantage when the economy is struggling and consumers prioritize ease and affordability. The impact of competition and innovation. The pizza business is also characterized by fierce competition, from large chains to local pizzerias, which often leads to innovation. Competition drives pizza businesses to continually improve their products, services, and efficiency. During a recession, those businesses that have invested in technology, efficient supply chains, and innovative products are likely to fare better than those that have not. The innovation in the pizza sector isn't limited to the product itself. It extends to the business model. For instance, during the COVID-19 pandemic, Many pizza businesses swiftly adapted to contactless delivery and pickup, which allowed them to continue operating while other food sectors struggled. This agility is a significant factor in the ability of the pizza business to withstand economic shocks. The role of franchising and small business dynamics. Franchising plays a big role in the pizza industry with both positives and negatives during a recession. On the one hand, franchises benefit from brand recognition, marketing support, and economies of scale. On the other hand, individual franchisees can be vulnerable to economic downturns as they face fixed costs like franchise fees and royalties that can squeeze profits when margins are already thin due to an economic downturn. However, small independent pizzerias also have their strengths. They are often deeply embedded within their communities and can leverage local